And bikini collection. 19. He is my first this year. First swimsuit of this year. It is green and outer what is called this. And color dyan. Ayan. Yan, so sexy. It fitted in my body. It's so sexy. This. Yeah. And then with the t-shirt here down there. It's so sexy. I could feel that here. That's mine. This is yours. Ito naman. Pink. Black may design na ganyan. Horizontal. Na with line. Yan. Sinuot ko ito na swimming namin. Ito yung green. Hindi ko alam kung sinuot ko na rin ito. Swimming. I have another one. My favorite is the blue one. It is checkered. Hindi ito, pero kamukha lang. Yung bata ako. So, when I was young, when I was small. I have a blue swimsuit checkered. And it has a thick fabric. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. It's my favorite. Really, really, I love it. And then I have